guys, welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how recycled trash is turned into amazing new product step.
Every product begins its journey as discarded waste.
Compressed and contained, the raw material takes form.
Collected from across the city, it moves toward transformation.
Here, waste enters the system of renewal. Here, waste enters the system of renewal. Inside, the raw stream gathers in massive volumes. Unloaded, the material is ready for its next stage. From chaos to control, the process begins. The material is steadily guided deeper into the system. Even distribution ensures consistent downstream processing. The stream divides, preparing for controlled handling. Contained pathways maintain flow and containment. Elevation prepares the stream for precision handling. Above the floor, the system routes material with intent. Reintroduced, the stream aligns for its first refinement. The journey now enters controlled separation. From the outside, the operation moves with constant rhythm.
Unit 4, you are clear for the intake.
Roger that, moving in.
All streams merge into a unified processing line. Unfit materials are redirected without delay. Inside, the process scales for precision handling. Inside, the process scales for precision handling. The first stage of separation begins here. Size separation begins through controlled rotation.
Finer elements are isolated for further refinement.
Magnetism isolates valuable metals instantly.
Airflow divides materials by weight and density.
Advanced sensors identify materials with accuracy. Human precision complements automated systems. Water and motion strip away remaining impurities.
Resources are reused through controlled filtration.
Moisture is reduced for efficient processing. Controlled heat completes the drying stage.
Prepared material gathers for the next phase.
Flow control ensures consistency in processing.
Uniformity is achieved through precision grinding.
The transformation begins as material enters the core system. Pressure builds as the material is driven forward. Controlled heat reshapes the structure of the material. The material reaches a uniform, molten state. Shaped under pressure, the new form emerges. Rapid cooling locks the structure into place. Precision cutting creates standardized raw product. Now refined, the material is ready for advanced automation. Automated systems distribute material with precision. Material is prepared for shaping into final forms. Controlled injection defines the product structure. Cooling stabilizes the newly formed shapes.
Automation ensures speed and accuracy. Excess material is removed with precision.
The process advances seamlessly to final refinement. Final refinement begins on the finishing line. Controlled motion smooths every surface. Airflow clears away the smallest residues.
Identification is applied with exact precision.
Order prepares the products for final handling. Precision tracking ensures accurate output. Now, each piece faces its final inspection. Strength is verified under controlled stress. Surface integrity is analyzed in detail. Defects are removed without interrupting flow.
Material quality is verified at the microscopic level.
Only approved items move forward. The final stage prepares products for delivery.
The finished products move into final packaging.
Each unit is packed with consistent accuracy. The journey continues beyond the factory floor.
And this is how modern factories produce recycled products from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.